Today we are going to be talking about our Tris ear cleaner. Before you start anything new, just check in with your veterinarian. They know your pet best, you know your pet best. I can recommend products here, like I'm going to recommend the Tris ear flush to you today, but you and your vet know your pet best. So check in with your veterinarian before starting anything new. This is our Tris ear flush. So it is a ear cleaner. It's a powerful ear cleaner with ketoconazole in it that helps clean and dry the ear canal. It doesn't irritate sensitive skin. It's safe for daily use with dogs and cats, and it's formulated and approved by veterinarians. So why do you need to use the Tris ear flush? So I have my lovely model of a dog ear here for you to show you how this, how your dog's ears look, and this goes for cats too. So as you can see with our model, you have a vertical and a horizontal ear canal. And so we, as humans, just have one. We have a horizontal ear canal, whereas dogs and cats, they have the one that goes down and the one that goes across. So a lot of debris can build up right here, especially if your pet goes outside a lot, is prone to infections, swims a lot, eat a lot of bacteria and debris and fungi and all sorts of different microorganisms that we don't want in there can get in there and start causing issues. So you should be cleaning your pet's ears regardless of whether or not they swim a lot, dog, cat, long ears, short ears, whatever, at least once a month. Because as you can see, they have the two parts of their ear canal. So if you're cleaning out right here, you know, a lot of debris can get in here, and then it travels down further. And so if you're cleaning out right here regularly, then you're helping to prevent further infections or anything from getting down into the horizontal ear canal and then, you know, causing issues, causing infections, that sort of thing. So regardless of if you have a dog, cat, whatever, you should be cleaning their ears like once a month. You should be checking their ears about weekly, doing just a weekly check over of them. So looking in their ear canal, seeing if there's any debris or anything that is in there, and then cleaning it out. And so the Tris ear flush, that's where that comes in, is the ear cleaning. So the Tris ear flush has ketoconazole in it, and ketoconazole is an antifungal agent that is effective in treating the symptoms of fungal or yeast infections. So it is not effective against viruses or bacteria or parasites. So if your pet has a bacterial ear infection, this might not be the best option for you. So it has, so ketoconazole is antifungal, and it helps to reduce the symptoms of a fungal infection. So a lot of times you'll see ketoconazole combined with chlorhexidine. That's what all of our medicated products are. Our chlorhexidine wipes, our extra large wipes, our shampoos, and our spray all have ketoconazole and chlorhexidine because combined they create an antibacterial, antifungal agent. You cannot put chlorhexidine in the ear. It's not something you can put in the ear canal. So that's why this just has ketoconazole in it, because you can put ketoconazole into the ear canal. And so ketoconazole helps to wash out any of that fungal agents. And so the Tris ear flush is primarily antifungal, but it does have antibacterial agents within it to help flush out anything that is in the ear that could be causing issues. So especially if you have a pet that is prone to ear infections, or a pet that swims a lot, or a pet that is somewhere that they're going outside a lot where they might get dirty ears, they might, invite those nasty microorganisms into their ears. Cleaning their ears more often, so you can clean their ears with this daily, every couple days, weekly, to use to clean out their ears to make sure that nothing's growing in there and to help prevent those infections. So this is really powerful. It's really great. It works. I've had it's one of our best sellers. So we've had multiple customers, lots of customers that find that the Tris does a really great job at helping to keep infections from happening and to help keep your pet's ears nice and clean. The other thing, so we also have our Otic Clean ear cleaners. There's a whole bunch of those. Those do not have ketoconazole in them, and they also are all scented. So the Tris Ear Flush, it has kind of a little bit of an antiseptic smell to it, but it's not an overpowering scent. So if you and your pet are sensitive to smells, I would recommend the Tris Ear Flush because there's little to no scent in there. So, you know, with our Otic Cleans or our ear wipes, those have more powerful smells to them. So if you or your pet is sensitive to that, I recommend the Tris Ear Flush because you're not going to get that overwhelming smell. I think a lot of them smell really great. Like the Sugar Cookie Otic Clean is one of my favorites. But if you're very sensitive to smells, definitely go with the Tris. So how does the Tris work? So if you're wondering how the Tris Ear Flush works, I'm going to briefly demonstrate on our little model here. We have lots of videos. You know, there's one on TikTok. We have them. I've done multiple demonstrations with it. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to refer back to those videos. So this is a liquid. So you'll shake it. Make sure it's closed when you shake it. So you'll shake it, and then you'll open it up. I'm not going to for this demonstration. And then you'll put a couple of drops right into the ear canal. So it'll drop out a couple, or you can squeeze it a little bit, drop a couple drops into the ear canal. And then you're gonna let your pet shake because putting liquid into your ear is gonna make them shake their heads. You'll let them shake. You might wanna step back a second because they're gonna shake and get it on you. And then you'll massage the base of their ear to make sure it's getting in there and breaking up any of that gunk and debris that may be forming within their ear. And then you'll take a cotton swab or a cotton round or cotton pad, something like that, and then just wipe out any of the debris or any of the gunk that you see up here. You don't want to go too deep because then you're going to start getting into more of the ear canal here. So you want to stay pretty much up where you can see pretty easily into their ear. Just, you know, clean out that area, and then you're done. And that is how you use the Tris Ear Flush. So super easy to use. It doesn't require a lot of liquid to go in there. So, you know, if your dog shakes or your cat shakes, which they will after you put the Tris into their ear, it's fine because they're going to get some in there, and you're going to then massage the ear to make sure that the liquid is getting in there and breaking down everything that it needs to break down. So, like I said, the Tris Ear Flush cleans and dries the ear canal. It doesn't irritate sensitive skin, so if your pet has sensitive ears, then it's not going to irritate it. It's safe for daily use with dogs and cats, and overall, it's a really powerful ear cleaner that washes away the dirt and wax and debris that can form inside your pet's ears. If your pet's ears don't get better after using the Tris, then 100% you should go see your veterinarian. It may be that your pet has a more advanced ear infection, or whatever ear infection that they have is not something that the ketoconazole in the Tris Ear Flush can help with. So if your pet's ears aren't getting better after a week or two, then definitely call your veterinarian, get in there and get their ears checked. There's nothing in here that is going to be it's going to be bad that you put into their ears, because this is an ear cleaner, and it is helpful in cleaning out your pet's ears. So if your pet's ears aren't better, it just means that your pet has something else going on in their ear that the Tris Ear Flush is not helping with. So again, if you have any questions about any of our products, if you have any questions about the Tris Ear Flush, feel free to reach out. We can answer any of your questions about it. And if you need to clean your pet's ears, which, spoiler alert, you do need to clean your pet's ears, I highly recommend the Tris Ear Flush. It's super easy. It's a great product. It's easy to use, and it works really well at keeping your pet's ears clean and healthy and your pet happy.